one of the things that we have to do when it comes to building bridges, fellow Toastmasters and guests, we really have to seek win-win relationships. I mean, when you stop to think about it, we truly have to seek win-win relationships. I know somebody asked a little earlier, have you connected with anybody through Hoover during this conference? Have you connected with anybody to seek any type of relationship, whether it's going to be business, work, or whatever? Have you done that? So I would challenge you that if you haven't, start building some bridges or start rebuilding some broken bridges and seek win-win relationships and opportunities and work on win-win agreements, because that's what it's all about. Win-win, not win-lose.